Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the AnyZip Carry On Luggage, a 20-inch hardside suitcase that's airline approved and perfect for your travel needs. This lightweight yet durable suitcase is crafted from high-quality ABS plus PC material, ensuring it withstands even the toughest travel conditions. With dimensions of 14.6 by 9 by 22.5 inches and a weight of just 5.7 pounds, it offers a generous 37-liter capacity, complete with cross straps and dividers for effortless packing and organization. The TSA-approved lock and upgraded double-ended zippers provide peace of mind during airline baggage checks, keeping your belongings secure throughout your journey. Designed with spinner wheels, this suitcase glides smoothly, making airport navigation a breeze. Plus, with a reliable 10-year warranty, you can trust that our dedicated after-sales team is ready to assist you with any concerns. So, whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, the AnyZip Carry On Luggage is your perfect travel companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.